Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video, let's learn about a leading company manufacturing futuristic products useful for farmers and household needs with the best technology in the market in our country, and also about the dealership opportunity offered by that company with very little investment. Watch this video till the end. Be sure to like it. Going into details, today in our country, the use of electricity is increasing day by day. But there is not enough power generation in our country to meet the demand. Many states in our country are suffering from power storage. Also, common people and farmers are not able to bear the burden of high electricity charges. So, keeping these things in mind, Mecwin Technologies India Private Limited manufactures solar-based products like solar pumps, controllers, solar inverters and EV motors for 2, 3, 4-wheelers for today and future needs. This Mecwin company started in the year 2017 in Bangalore, state of Karnataka in our India. This company mainly manufactures solar water pumps as part of Make in India, which are useful for adding water to agriculture. Also, this company has a lot of experience and expertise in BLDC, PMSM motor technology related to solar water pumps. These motor pumps designed with BLDC, PMSM technology work for a long time. So far, this company has supplied and installed 20,000 plus pumps to various projects in the country. This company has products like surface pumps from 1 HP to 15 HP, submersible pumps from 1 HP to 50 HP, controllers from 1 HP to 20 HP, solar panels, solar inverters for home and office at affordable prices. When it comes to solar pumps features, total solar pumps solution like pump plus motor plus controller plus SPV panels is available at Mecwin company. Also, these are BLDC, PMSM designed motors which have long life. MPPT controller with 95% efficiency. These pumps work on AC-DC current. Has 100% remote monitoring system. That means farmers or other customers can control with their mobile. When it comes to solar inverters features, this inverters 100% sine wave. Smart charging saves power by auto cutoff. Suitable for all types of batteries, tubular, flat plate, VRLA, higher life and longer backup. Now, when it comes to dealership, this company offers dealerships to sell Mecwin solar pumps and solar inverter products in all states and districts of our country. So, interested in this futuristic business concept, this dealership opportunity, aspiring entrepreneurs and unemployed people can use this opportunity and become self-employed. Also, there is a chance to earn good income. This company's sales are growing at 50% every year. This company is now expanding its dealer network all over India for the first time in our country. It is also being appointed on first come first basis. That means whoever approaches the company first, they will be allotted that territory. Every dealer is given a special territory and commitment. As far as investment is concerned, to get Mecwin India dealership, rupees 5 lakhs for 3 or 4 pump sets with panels and 2 lakhs returnable security deposit together with a total investment rupees 7 lakhs is required. Usually the profit margins in the solar products industry are low, but the company says that this company gives highest margins up to 15%. Also, digital marketing and lead generation support will be provided by Mecwin company to those who get this dealership. Also, the company gives warranty for every product you sell. Also, Mecwin company provides 5-year warranty on complete set to every customer. Provides lifetime customer care to all Mecwin customers for AMC, service, spares. For those who are interested and want to do business in the solar industry, the company will help you to do this business. The company provides complete knowledge on these solar products. This dealership provides all kinds of technology training and marketing support to the beneficiaries. The company always gives all kinds of advice and suggestions that you need to do business. Contact the company to get this Mecwin Solar Pumps dealership, or if you have any curious regarding the details of this dealership, contact Mecwin company in this video description through their phone numbers website. That's it, friends. Details about Mecwin Solar Pumps dealership business opportunity. Let us know your opinion on this video in the comments. If you have subscribed to our channel so far, subscribe now. Thank you.